In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to empty your OneDrive Recycle bin. It's a straightforward process that only takes a few minutes to complete, but it can greatly help in keeping your digital space organized and efficient. To start, you'll need to navigate to the Microsoft homepage. You can do this by typing Microsoft into your favorite web browser or simply clicking on a Microsoft-related link if you have one handy. Once you're on the home page, your next step is to access your Microsoft account. Look for the Sign In option, which is typically found in the top right corner of the page. Clicking on this will start the sign-in process. You'll be asked to enter your email address, which serves as your entryway to all things Microsoft. If you've used services like Office, Outlook, or OneDrive in the past, you should already have an email associated with these services. Go ahead and type that email into the provided field. After entering your email, you'll be prompted to click Next. This step is standard in the login process, designed to confirm your email address before you enter your password. And speaking of passwords, security is a top priority in keeping your digital life secure. So, take your time entering your password correctly to avoid unnecessary login attempts that might lock you out of your account. Once you've successfully entered your password, click Next to proceed. Microsoft might occasionally ask you if you want to stay signed in. If you're using a personal device, you might find it convenient to say yes. However, if you're on a shared or public computer, it's best to skip this for security reasons. Once logged in, you'll want to navigate your way to All Things Microsoft by clicking on All Microsoft. This link takes you to a page showcasing all of Microsoft's products and services. From there, locate OneDrive Microsoft's cloud storage solution and click on it. You'll store, share, and access your files from any device, anywhere. You might be prompted to sign in again, which could feel repetitive, but it adds an extra layer of security for your files. Go ahead and sign in once more. Now, you'll find yourself on your OneDrive homepage. Look for a sidebar or menu option labeled Home to ensure you're at the starting point. From here, navigate to a crucial area, the Recycle bin. This is where your deleted files temporarily reside until you decide to restore them or remove them permanently. Click on the Recycle bin to view a list of your deleted files. If you're ready to empty the Recycle bin, click on All Files to select everything there. Always ensure there's nothing you want to keep before making this irreversible decision. Once confirmed, look for the Delete option, which will prompt you for the final step of permanently deleting these files. Remember, this action is irreversible, so be absolutely sure before hitting Permanently Delete. Successfully, you've now emptied your OneDrive Recycle bin. Decluttering not only frees up storage space but also helps maintain an organized digital environment. Keep in mind, it's always a good idea to have backups of important files before deleting anything. And there you have it, a tidy, decluttered OneDrive Recycle bin, all in just a few minutes. Thank you for watching.